Hostile Youth Sabandi. Hostile Youth Sabandi. The soldiers were entering hostile territory. The soldiers were entering hostile territory. Aspiration Mahatvakanksha. Aspiration Mahatvakanksha. He had high aspiration for his son. He had high aspiration for his son. Aggression, आक्रामक व्यवहार. Aggression, आक्रामक व्यवहार. Some type of dog are bred for aggression. Some type of dog are bred for aggression. Diminish, कम करना. Diminish, कम करना. Her worry did not diminish as the morning went on. Her worry did not diminish as the morning went on. Inherent, अंतर्निहित. Inherent, अंतर्निहित. Risk is inherent in the stock market. Risk is inherent in the stock market. Legendary, प्रसिद्ध. Legendary, प्रसिद्ध. Michael Jordan is a legendary basketball player. Michael Jordan is a legendary basketball player. Misunderstanding, गलतफहमी. Misunderstanding, गलतफहमी. A misunderstanding between friends can cause a lot of pain. A misunderstanding between friends can cause a lot of pain. Rebellion, withdraw. Rebellion, withdraw. The peasants rose in rebellion against the tyrant king. The peasants rose in rebellion against the tyrant king. Drunken, नशे में. Drunken, नशे में. He made a drunken attempt to put on his shoes. He made a drunken attempt to put on his shoes. Sentiment, right. Sentiment, right. When it comes to politics, everyone has their own sentiments. When it comes to politics, everyone has their own sentiments. Intuition, सहज ज्ञान. Intuition, सहज ज्ञान. You should trust your intuition in making your decision. You should trust your intuition in making your decision. Alliance, गठबंधन. Alliance, गठबंधन. The two political parties formed an alliance to win the election. The two political parties formed an alliance to win the election. Altogether, पूरी तरह. Altogether, पूरी तरह. I stopped seeing him altogether after the accident. I stopped seeing him altogether after the accident. Enterprise परियोजना. Enterprise परियोजना. Starting a new enterprise is always a risky decision. Starting a new enterprise is always a risky decision. Implant प्रत्यारोपित करना. Implant प्रत्यारोपित करना. The dentist implanted a false tooth to replace the one I lost. The dentist implanted a false tooth to replace the one I lost. Adequate, संतोषजनक. Adequate, संतोषजनक. I didn't have adequate time to prepare. I didn't have adequate time to prepare. Virtually, लगभग. Virtually, लगभग. The disease is virtually unknown in developed countries. The disease is virtually unknown in developed countries. Gracious, सम्मानपूर्ण व्यवहार करने वाला. Gracious, सम्मानपूर्ण व्यवहार करने वाला. He greeted us with a gracious smile. He greeted us with a gracious smile. Abstract, अमूर्त. Abstract, अमूर्त. She has abstract thoughts about life and reality. She has abstract thoughts about life and reality. Equation, समीकरण. Equation, समीकरण. A simple equation would be 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. A simple equation would be 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Flap, समस्याएं. Flap, समस्याएं. There was a big flap when she arrived late. There was a big flap when she arrived late. Jealousy, ईर्ष्या. Jealousy, ईर्ष्या. He broke his brother's new bike in a fit of jealousy. he broke his brother's new bike in a fit of jealousy. Suffocate घुटन से मरना. Suffocate घुटन से मरना. The room was so stuffy, he felt like he was going to suffocate. The room was so stuffy, he felt like he was going to suffocate. Haze, kohora. Haze, kohora. The early morning haze covered the fields. The early morning haze covered the fields. Parallel, samantar. Parallel, samantar. The two lines are parallel to each other. The two lines are parallel to each other. Cannon, top. Cannon, top. The fort was equipped with several cannons for defense. The fort was equipped with several cannons for defense. Compose, rachna karna. Compose, rachna karna. She composed a beautiful song. She composed a beautiful song. Flatter, चापलूसी करना. Flatter, चापलूसी करना. He would always flatter his boss to try to get a promotion. He would always flatter his boy to try to get a promotion. Unity, ekta. Unity, ekta. There is a sense of unity in the team. There is a sense of unity in the team. Relevant, prasangik. Relevant, prasangik. Your comments are relevant to our discussion. Your comments are relevant to our discussion. Contribution, yogdan. Contribution, yogdan. John's contribution to the project was significant. John's contribution to the project was significant. On stage, मंच पर. On stage, मंच पर. The actor moved on stage when it was his turn to perform. The actor moved on stage when it was his turn to perform. Reception, pratikriya. Reception, pratikriya. The audience reception to the new movie was mixed. The audience reception to the new movie was mixed. Sufficient, पर्याप्त. Sufficient, पर्याप्त. He didn't have sufficient money to buy a new car. He didn't have sufficient money to buy a new car. Astray, भटके हुए. Astray, भटके हुए. We went astray, but a man showed us the right road. We went astray, but a man showed us the right road. District, Setra. District, Setra. He lives in a wealthy district of the city. He lives in a wealthy district of the city. Govern, शासन करना. Govern, शासन करना. Our city is well governed by its elected officials. Our city is well governed by its elected officials. Surveillance, निगरानी. Surveillance, निगरानी. The bank robbery was recorded by surveillance cameras. The bank robbery was recorded by surveillance cameras. Backup, सहायता या समर्थन. Backup, सहायता या समर्थन. I will be your backup in case your date cancels. I will be your backup in case your date cancels. Civilian, नागरिक. Civilian, नागरिक. The war caused the death of many civilians. The war caused the death of many civilians. Convict, अपराधी. Convict, अपराधी. The convict was sentenced to 2 years in prison. The convict was sentenced to 2 years in prison. Demise, मृत्यु. Demise, मृत्यु. News of his demise spread quickly. News of his demise spread quickly. Dissolve, धुलना. Dissolve, धुलना. Sugar dissolves in water. Sugar dissolves in water. Analysis, विश्लेषण. Analysis, विश्लेषण. Her analysis of the situation is very thorough. Her analysis of the situation is very thorough. Applause, tally. Applause, tally. His speech received loud applause. His speech received loud applause. Skeleton, कंकाल. Skeleton, कंकाल. Human skeleton consists of 206 bones. Human skeleton consists of 206 bones. Tourist, पर्यटक. Tourist, पर्यटक. There are always lots of tourists in Paris. There are always lots of tourists in Paris. Scenario, कहानी की रूपरेखा. Scenario, कहानी की रूपरेखा. She is writing a scenario for a short film. She is writing a scenario for a short film. Hint, संकेत. Hint, संकेत. Can you give me a hint about the surprise? Can you give me a hint about the surprise? Rebuild, पुनर्निर्माण करना. Rebuild, पुनर्निर्माण करना. After the fire, they had to rebuild their house. After the fire, they had to rebuild their house. Explosive, विस्फोटक. Explosive, विस्फोटक. The bomb squad deactivated the explosive device. The bomb squad deactivated the explosive device. Realistic, वास्तविक. Realistic, वास्तविक. It is not realistic to expect to learn English in 2 weeks. It is not realistic to expect to learn English in 2 weeks. Curiosity, जिज्ञासा. Curiosity, जिज्ञासा. Her natural curiosity led her to ask more questions. Her natural curiosity led her to ask more questions. Underestimate, कम करके आंकना. Underestimate, कम करके आंकना. Never underestimate your opponent in a game. Never underestimate your opponent in a game. Arena, मंच. Arena, मंच. The concert was held in large arena. The concert was held in large arena. Dictate, बोलकर लिखवाना. Dictate, बोलकर लिखवाना. The teacher dictated the answer to the class. The teacher dictated the answer to the class. Prejudice, पूर्वाग्रह. Prejudice, पूर्वाग्रह. He has a prejudice against fast food. He has a prejudice against fast food. Empathy, सहानुभूति. Empathy, सहानुभूति. He loves children and has a certain empathy with them. He loves children and has a certain empathy with them. Symptom, लक्षण. Symptom, लक्षण. A fever is a common symptom of many illness. A fever is a common symptom of many illness. Cradle, पालना. Cradle, पालना. The baby is sleeping soundly in his cradle. The baby is sleeping soundly in his cradle. Corrupt, trust या घूस देना. Corrupt, trust या घूस देना. Both companies are under investigation for corrupt practices. Both companies are under investigation for corrupt practices.